मेरो online beauty tips. Beautify yourself.
Hello everyone, this is Pranita and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you about the benefits of using orange peel on our face in different ways. And I'm going to share with you the procedure to make toner at home. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel to get more videos of home remedies. The orange peel has antibacterial and anti-microbial properties which make it great for treating acne and oily skin. The peel has vitamin C which will give you clear and brighter skin too. Now, let me tell the procedure to make toner yourself. For this, take a fresh orange peels, wash it and then take a glass of water, add orange peels to it and boil the water up to 5 minutes. Let it cool down. Strain the water and you can keep it in a spray bottle and your toner is ready. Yes, your toner is ready to use now. It's very simple and easy to make. Spray this toner all over your face twice in a day after you wash your face. You can store it up to 7 days, or if you want to store more, you can refrigerate it as an ice cube and apply it when you require it. The toner helps to get clear, fresh and toned up tight-looking skin. It removes acne, dark spots and shrinks large open pores within a week. Try it and give me the feedback on the comments down below. Thank you for watching my video.